Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to wind your Seiko 5 automatic. This is going to be a vintage model, most likely from the 80s, and on these models you cannot manually wind the watch. So if you rotate the watch crown in a clockwise direction, it isn't going to wind the watch. So what you need to do when you pick the watch up is to give it a few shakes, and that is going to get the rotor moving, and as you can see the watch is going to start to tick. You can do this for around 60 seconds in order to have a little bit of energy. As you can see, it has already stopped, so we need to wind it a little bit more. And after that you can put the watch on your wrist, and the watch is going to keep on winding itself from the movement of your wrist. In case you do not have a very active day, if in case you do not do a lot of movement with your wrist, you need to take it off and wind it a little bit, just as I have shown you, in order for your watch to have enough energy stored inside. In case you want to watch the full guide with also how to set the time and date, and also how to replace the bracelet with a strap and the other way around, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out guys. In case you found this video useful guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, including the Seiko 5 watch. Link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next one.